We're here driving around at 7:11 in the morning. Don't know if we can make it in the sand with this truck, but we're just gonna wing it. We're out here in Pismo. Hey, you shut the fuck up. And we're gonna see what happens today. We're gonna tear some shit up, I think.
Bro. No fucking way that van is getting out there. It's high tide. I got stuck in the water. There's 2 water crosses. You gotta make 2 fucking water crossings.
Yeah,
that's just like this high.
Yeah, he goes, you gotta wait 2 hours because right now it's shut down.
High tide.
Yeah,
High tide.
so you have to wait.
Oh,
Obviously you got across, but you Hail Married that one. UTV pros, Here we are, we're in Pismo Beach. Look at that awesome water. I can touch the water a little bit. Okay, that's it. You know, I don't like dirt. Water's cool, but not for side-by-side stuff. But we're here testing. We brought the Pro R, KRX, and we brought the Honda Talon. So we're gonna go take them out here and get in some trouble. See if we can get kicked out today.
Up, I don't think we can do. Down was okay. That was nuts. You got saved by the pickle.
Thank you.
Have fun, be safe. Loading the newest Polaris Pro R tune on here. What it looks like
that don't have the turbo kit, what I would tell them once they catch up is they should get a turbo for their car. On a Talon 1000R live valve, not a lot stock on it, as you can see. Got probably the biggest and best upgrade is the Kraftwerks turbo kit. Really wakes the car up. I mean, they handle great, their power is good stock, but if you really want to take it to the next level, the Kraftwerks turbo kit is the way to go. Performance stock is not bad, right? It's good in the dirt, but when you get to the dunes or in the sand or anything like that, without the turbo, you really notice it, especially if you have a passenger. Install process was very easy, very straightforward. The guys at Kraftwerks were more than helpful. Any questions that came up, and no issues. So far, so good. All right.
Yeah.